parallel plate capacitor. Suppose these are two parallel plates and suppose the area of each plate is A and separation them is D. Here sigma is the surface charge density of each plate. Suppose this is positive charge plate and this is negative charge plate. Take an equal and opposite charges on the plates of capacitor, as we have sigma is equals to charge per unit area. So Q will be sigma A. We know that electric field is equals to sigma over epsilon naught between the plates of capacitor. So sigma will be E into epsilon naught. As potential difference between the plates, V is equals to E into D. So we will put the value of E. So V is equals to sigma over epsilon naught into D. So sigma D over epsilon naught. Capacitance C is equals to Q over V. So we will put the value of Q sigma A and value of V is sigma D upon epsilon naught. So we will get C is equals to epsilon naught A over D. If we have to find energy of parallel plates, as U is equals to Q square over 2C. So U is equals to, we know the value of Q sigma A whole square over 2. We will put the value of C epsilon naught A upon D. So we will get half sigma square A square epsilon naught A over D. Mathematically, D over epsilon naught A we can write as sigma square over A, sigma square into A square. So we can write as half D epsilon naught A sigma A square. We will put the value of sigma is equals to E epsilon naught. So U will be half D over epsilon naught A E epsilon naught whole square A square. So it will become D over epsilon naught A E square epsilon naught square A square. Or we can write as epsilon naught, it will be cancel out each other, epsilon naught over 2 E square A D. AD, volume of capacitor between two plates. So energy of capacitor per unit volume we can write as half epsilon naught E square. For important points, capacitance C is proportional to area of plate. If D goes to infinite, then capacitance goes to 0. Now force between plates of capacitor. Suppose these are two plates. One is positive plate and other is negative plate, and surface charge density is sigma. An electric field due to plate E1 and E2, suppose, and the separation is D. So force on 2, this is one plate, this is 2. So force on plate 2 by plate 1. As we know, F is equals to QE. So F21 is equals to E1 Q2. So we will put the value of E as E is equals to sigma over 2 epsilon naught. So F21 is equals to sigma over 2 epsilon naught, and the value of charge sigma A. So F21 will become sigma square A over 2 epsilon naught, or we can write as F upon A is equals to sigma square over 2 epsilon naught. This is the force on unit area of plate.